the question that we've been asked is, let's say I have a client who just walks in for a small notary. I don't want to go into contacts, create a client, create a matter, and do all that stuff. How do I enter that kind of income in ULaw? There are other ways, like, incomes that you receive which are not your client per se. You can enter them into accounts under what we call income, other income. So you can go into other income. You can choose a category. You can say, hey, this was advisory, or this was consultancy. You could even create a category called notary. The way you would do that is you would say, add a new account. It would be let's say it's an advisory account. Like, you can say advisory, and you can say notary client income, right? You can hit the save button. Now when you go back into the action button and you say income, other income, under the advisory category, you will have the notary. And let's say you charge the client pre-taxed $100. Okay, so it'll immediately calculate with HST. Now you have to say who you received from. You can say Johnson. It's always a good idea to give them a receipt because they paid you that money. You can say notary fee, right? Like, and if you have an invoice / voucher number, you can enter that. How did you receive the payment? Maybe the client paid you using credit card. You enter that, and obviously you deposited that into your general account, like you process the credit card into your general account, and you can hit the submit button. Okay, when you do that, obviously it'll allow you to create a payment receipt, so you can download the payment receipt. As you see here, like, this is a payment receipt. Like, it'll basically have all the details. You can just send it to them saying that, hey John, I got all this stuff, and you can process it. Now, when you go now into your general account, right, you will see that income now posted. Like, the $130 is always posted, and you can always go back there and print the payment receipt again. Like, if you forgot, like, I'm going to print like a nice Swift blue theme here, just to show that, hey, this is my payment receipt, like, that I have here. It'll be pretty nice. So again, to summarize, rather than creating a contact matter for simple things like notary, if you have under your revenue category a notary client income, what you can do is you click on the action button, go to income, other income, and you can actually post it, give all the descriptions. If it's tax exempted, do that. And I would also recommend you give them a receipt when you actually do this